All right, so I just sanded again for another like half hour or so. It's definitely looking a lot better, more scuffed up. I can barely see any of the shiny pieces anymore of the pre-finish. I did some research and I think that the pre-finish is kind of like a UV blocker to protect from sunlight damage. So that's what all I was trying to like get through that top layer. And I mean, like, if I rub my hand on it, I'm getting dust still. I hit it with the air compressor. You can see a little shine still, but at this point, I mean, I've sanded for almost 2 hours, maybe more, between today and yesterday. I think it's time to just hit it with the truck bed liner, the Herculiner, see how it sticks, and apply, you know, at least 2 coats, maybe go 3, just to make it extra thick and tacky. But yeah,